Okay, we're going to count some teen numbers and we're going to use our long one, which is 10, and our little ones, which are ones. A 10 and ones. All right, you ready? I'll stick these down here so I have somewhere to put them. Okay, this is the paper you need. And our first one is this one. How many tens are in this picture? How many long ones? There's 1 10. And how many ones are in this picture? There's 1 1. So what's this number? 1 10, 1 1. Write the number 11 because we have 10 and one more makes 11. Let's do the next one. How many tens do we have in this picture? We have 1 10. How many ones are in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So put a 4. 1 10, 4 ones. What's the number? 14. Let's count and see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, here's the next one. How many tens do we have? This is a 10. We have 1 10, so put a 1. Now let's count how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1 10, 6 ones. What's that number? 16. Count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here's the next one. How many tens do we have? 1 10. How many ones do we have? 2 ones. What number is 1 10, 2 ones? Slide over, write the number. It's 12. Count. 10, 11, 12. Okay, try this one. How many tens do we have? 1, 2. We have 2 tens. How many ones do we have? 0. We have 0 ones. Slide the number over. A 2 and a 0. What's that number, everybody? 20. Count. 10, 20. All right, let's try this one. How many ones do we have? Or sorry, I said that wrong. How many tens do we have? We have 1 10. How many ones do we have? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. Slide that number over. 1 10, 7 ones. What's the number? 17. Let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We were right. Okay, let's do this one. How many tens do we have? We have 1 10. How many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we put a 5. 1 10, 5 ones. Slide the number over. What's that number? 15. Let's count and see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We were right. All right, here's the next one. Count the Count the tens. Write it down. Count the ones, and I'll hold it so you can count them. Write it down. Slide it over. Write your number. Did you get 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Did you get 19? Woo, woo! All right, let's try this one. Count the tens, write it down. Count the ones, write it down. Slide it over. Write your number. Then count to see if you were right. Were you right? I bet you were. And here's the last one. Count the tens, write it down. Count the ones, write it down. Slide it over, write your number. Now count to see if you were right. Were you right? I bet you were. Good job counting those teen numbers.